So, some of the key benefits of planting with California native plants is that depending on what type of garden you're creating, if it's a water-wise garden, you're going to bring down your water use quite a bit. Another really wonderful key benefit is you're going to see a lot more life in your garden. So once you start bringing in these California natives, you're going to start seeing more birds. You're going to start seeing more interesting insects, butterflies, bees, that sort of thing. And another really lovely benefit is I think native plants really ground us to this sense of place of we are in California and this is a California space. And I really love that idea of grounding us in a sense of place with plants.